Hello student, how are you? I hope you are all safe at home and you are doing your study regularly. And welcome everybody to the Business Organizations and Management class. This is the second part and we are continuing our class on chapter 9 that is already ended, the revision, and today we will start the revision on chapter 10 that is called controlling. So without any delay, now we go through it. You know that the last function of the management is controlling. So before going to details on definitions of controlling, we can see some picture. This is the picture and this is another picture. Sorry, what you can see in the picture? You can see in the picture one person try to control two person. In another picture, one person try to control one person. It means that the controlling what is, how it is controlled. In the picture, it's also clearly try to show you how the control is. We can see some other picture. In this picture, you can also understand that this is the controlling. One person try to control 5%. What the person will do with their hand, that will be selected by the person who is holding all them. So now you all, I think, understood that today's topics will be related to the controlling. Now coming to the definition of controlling. It is a process of comparing the actual performance with the set standard of the company to ensure that activities are performed according to the plan, and if not, then taking corrective action. So this is a process. Controlling is a process by which comparing actual performance with the plan, what is selected and what is made by the high authority or high top level management. So that will be compared with the actual performance, what is done at the end of the management function. So this total process will be called as controlling. So what you think in the controlling? Three basic things. What is the three basic things? Three basic things is, in the definitions you will remember three basic things. One thing is measuring actual performance of the workers or employees. Second, comparing the actual performance with the plan. And third, if there is any deviation found, they have to take correction activity or they have to take correction step. So these three things you have to mention in your definition. Then the controlling definitions will be perfect. So I hope you have understood. So then we can go to the feature of controlling. What is the feature of controlling? It is last step, because controlling is the last function of the management, and that is why you can say this, it is a last step. Depends on base. Yes, the controlling depends on the plan, what is fixed at the beginning of the task. So that is why we can say that controlling must be dependent base, because the base is what? The plan is the basement of controlling. Now coming to continuous process. Yes, controlling is the continuous process, because when the controlling is done, then again started with the plan, and again by rotation will come to the controlling activities. So we can say that the controlling process is the continuous process. It will be continued when the organizations will run. And the other things, you can see the time end task. So organization will controlling will be the time end task, because at the end of the time, and at the end of a specific time, you have to do your controlling activities, because controlling activities can ensure that how much activities, how much performance have been done, how much work have done. And if it is according to the plan, that's okay. There is no need to take any corrective action. So if they are found any obstacle, or if they are found any the deviation, so then we have to take corrective action. And this corrective action uh, will be considered when the again plan will be met. So that is why controlling is very important. And we can see some of the feature of controlling. Controlling an effective controlling system has following features. It helps in achieving organization goals. Controlling must needed to achieve organization goal. Facilitate optimum of utilization of resources. It evaluates the accuracy of the standard. It also set discipline and order by the controlling, we can say that, and motivates the employees and boosts employees' morale, ensures future planning by raising standard, improves overall performance of an organization. It also minimizes error. So if you see, or if you think about these features of the controlling, you will understand it, and you will be understood that actually controlling, although it is the last function of the management, but it is very very important, and as well as other function is important. So these are the feature of controlling. So now coming to our next topics for revision, that is the importance of controlling. So what are the point that will be discussed in favor of importance of controlling? Now coming to, you can see a picture on the UV screen, and in the screen, improving employees' motivation. Yes, if there is no control, the employer will be demotivated. They will think that if I don't do work, nobody will control us. So then the activity or performance will be not done perfectly. Another importance is ensure order and discipline. Yes, if there is a controlling activities, if there is a controlling system, then nobody will try to uh, miss or disturb the law and order of the organization, because the controlling will be strictly applied, then the organization and all the activities will go on very smoothly. Facilitate coordination in action. Yes, controlling also do associate activities of coordination, because we know that coordinations means to integrate all the efforts or all the individual efforts to the organization common goal. But controlling also do the same things. When the controlling process is done, that times all of the personal eh, performance will be gathered to measure the accuracy or measure the actual performance. So that is why it is also facilitate the coordination. Now another point of importance of controlling is help in improving the performance. Yes, help in improving the performance, because if they're controlling the process or controlling the facilities there, then the other performance will be very effective and will be completed very well. And it also helps in minimizing error, because the controlling process is being done, then the error will not be repeat. So then the minimization of errors will come. And also help in achieving organization goal. That's also the importance of the controlling. Judging of accuracy of standard, yes, um, by the controlling, so many controlling method, we can judge the accuracy of standard of the work has done. Making efficient use of resources, yes, by the controlling we can ensure the efficient uses of that resources that is used in the management of any organization. So these are the importance of the controlling, and today this is these are all. Already we have discussed about 3 points. One is what is controlling, and second is features of controlling. What are the features we can found in the controlling system, and what are the importance are found in controlling process. These three topics we have discussed about as the revision class. I hope you have understood the 3 points clearly. If you have any problem or if you have been asking about these three topics, you can ask me during the class time. So for today, bye.